If you want to play the Dot Lottie animation inside of React project, this video is for you. So let's get started. At first you will need to install Dot Lottie player into a React project. So I have set up my React project here. I have imported the Dot Lottie file. You need to move the Dot Lottie file into the public folder. I have created Lottie files so I can easily understand all the Dot Lottie files will be present here. So our at first our need is the Dot Lottie player, so we can search on Google Dot Lottie player. So we can go here and click the Dot Lottie React player. I can copy the path. I can copy the installer script and then paste it here. If I hit enter, it will install the Dot Lottie player inside of React project. If you see the documentation, you will understand what to do. Basically we are grabbing this script, these lines of code, copy and paste it here. Let's say I can remove everything, but I'm adding it here at the top of the previous code. And also we will need to add these two lines of code at the top of the function. So we have now defined the import the Dot Lottie players and controls. Also we have import the CSS, and we have add this component inside of our main code. Now we can start our server to see what is happening, if it is working or not. Let's say npm run dev. It will open an server. Let's see. Yeah, this is working. So basically I haven't add the path here, so that's why it is showing the warning icon. So I have to add the path. So the path is Lottie file slash working cartoon dot loading. So other props are control props like autoplay, loop, and this is for the controller, this controller. So you can see the animation is now playing. If you want to customize it, you can do it. Let's say if you want to increase the speed, so you can just add the speed. If you want to increase the speed, you can add 2, 3, 4 or 1.5. Or if you want to decrease the speed, you need to lower the value below the 1, right? So if I increase it, it will move first, and if I say 0.3, it will slow down the animation. So yeah, that's it. Here we have the control. If we want, if we don't want the controls, so we can comment out it, and the controls point are gone, right? So what we can do more, yeah, we don't need control now. Yeah, and we can add a class name to resize the Lottie screen. So let's add a class name Lottie player, my Lottie player container. save it. Oh, here I have added it, so you can check. You can see I have added the width of 400 pixel. So what will it do is it will try to maintain the aspect ratio width and height between the 0 to 400 pixel. Yeah. So now you can see the width of the player is reduced or resized. So yeah, let me know if you want some more video like this, and consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you.